everyone, I am so excited. I got my Boxycharm Premium today and I literally yelled when I opened the box because it's the Fenty Beauty Edition and I'm so excited. This is for sure my favorite box I've ever received from Boxycharm. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys now. I'm super excited. So we have the card here first, Boxycharm x Fenty Beauty. It looks like we have the Killawatt Freestyle highlighter, Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick, Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette, Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, Invisimatte Blotting Paper. So I'm super excited to share all of this with you guys. Okay, so let's get started. So in here first, it looks like we have the Matchstick, the Shimmer Skin Stick. I got the shade Confetti. Looks like it's going to be like a light purple. We'll open this one up. I've always wanted to get one of these. I just never did. And here we are. So it's a nice shade of purple. Super excited to use this one. Has like a nice light shimmer there. Pretty pretty. Yes. Okay. Can you tell I'm excited? Let's see. We have the Invisimatte. This is the blotting paper. I have the Fenty Beauty, the blotting powder. I've never tried this paper one, but I believe from what I saw, they're just like little rolls. Let's see if I can get it out. Yeah, so it's just like a little roll and then a blotting paper and then a case. It's cool. It has a little mirror on it, so that's awesome. And then here's the roll of the blotting paper. Oh, it's just like little wrapping paper. You open it up, you can pop this in here. We would close it up and then you would rip a little piece off. That's actually really cool. I love that. Okay, next up, super excited about this one. This is the Killawatt Freestyle highlighter. I got the shade Trophy Wife. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. That color is so pretty. I can't wait to use this one. Okay. We got Gloss Bomb. It looks like I got the shade Diamond Milk. We'll open up this one. I'm pretty sure this is like a white clear. Yep, so it's like a white gloss. Very pretty. Definitely be using this one. Alright. We have the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. It looks like I got the shade Clapback. This is darker than what I would usually wear, but this looks really cool. I think we can create a really cool look out of this. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so it's like a blue, like a navy blue shade. I honestly have never worn this shade before. That's cool. So it's like a navy blue. This is gonna be cool. I've never worn this before, so I'm excited to try this. This will be a new look. Okay. And then last but not least, we have the eyeshadow palette. This is Moroccan Spice. It does have a picture of the shades on the back, so there's a ton of colors in this. Okay. Let's see. This is all so pretty. I love these. Okay, so these are all the colors. Very, very cool. I love them. Okay, this box is amazing. Once I opened it and saw that it was the Fenty Beauty one, I knew it would be amazing, but I'm super excited with everything that I got in here. I will be creating some looks with it. If you don't have Boxycharm yet, I will include some codes so that way you guys can get a special surprise when you sign up. But here we are. Again, this was the Boxycharm with the Fenty Beauty collaboration. Thanks for watching, guys.